Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable two-factor authentication on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you can click on. And here you have the home, issues, pull requests, projects, and so on. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have your profile, your repositories, your copilot, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable two-factor authentication on GitHub. So enabling two-factor authentication on GitHub is a great way to enhance your account security. And here are the steps to set it up. First of all, sign into GitHub. So go to GitHub and log into your account. Then access settings, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner and select settings. After that, when you select settings here, of course, then what you need to do, navigate to the security in the left sidebar, click the password and authentication under access section. So basically this one. Then enable two-factor authentication. In the two-factor authentication section, click enable two-factor authentication. So basically you need to find it, click enable two-factor authentication here. Then choose a method. You can set up two-factor authentication using a time-based one-time password. Save recovery codes and just then go and verify your setup. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.